gotta bring y'all some information on Bankroll Flow. The price of Bankroll Flow has dropped below 50 cents. Just like I said on my video yesterday, I had a feeling Bankroll was about to go below 50 cents. It actually went all the way down to 9 TRX. Man, this morning, if you was up rolling like how I was, you saw that the price was 9 TRX, man. And it was a good buying opportunity for anybody out there who wanted a better entry point. Like I said in previous videos, when it comes to investing, it's all about your entry point. You want to buy in low and sell when they get high, because when you buy in low, you get a better position and you get more interest just over time riding the wave as it's going up, right? And I had a feeling yesterday that Bankroll Flow was about to drop. I didn't know what was happening, but to my understanding now, this reactor program, was put in place. This is a code put on BNKRX to help stabilize the price over a long period of time. So over $1 million in that fund, and it made the price drop, right? It dropped all the way down to 9 TRX, but it's been going up all morning. So if you've been rolling and buying, you've been putting yourself in a better position for the future. A lot of people see platforms like this and don't want to take a risk. Me, the way my life is designed, I always got to take risks. I always got to see what, things are talking about. Definitely when it comes to the internet and technology, I know this is the future, man. And if we could stumble up on a good platform, right? And I think Bankroll is it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of these platforms, based on the research I was doing, people was mad that the price was dropping. And they were saying that, how these contracts, they claim to be like immutable. Like you can't change it, but then they can just add in something. Like how they just added in this reactor. Like, and then people were saying like, what makes you think this price won't drop again? But even with that, like I don't really think with my emotions when it comes to investing. I understand you gotta like be a little logical, and based on my research about the whole bankroll ecosystem and compared to everything else that's out there, I'm like I'm gonna just take a risk on this platform. Like if I'm gonna take a risk on any platform, I'm not gonna really invest in all of these other little side dApps that's popping up, offering these percentages. I like Bankroll ecosystem. I like what they got going. I just like how it's set up and how it's designed with everything. So I'm gonna just rock with Bankroll, throughout this little crypto journey, and always invest in Bitcoin. Always just have some Bitcoin put to the side, no matter what. But as far as like other dApps and altcoins, it's a lot you can invest in. It's a lot of speculation in the market. But I just like what Bankroll got set up with the 1%. And I'm going to just rock out with this and see how they playing it on Bankroll. Now, like I said, this is a great buying opportunity. Bankroll is only 46 cents. You could buy in with $500, $1,000 and get a better position than I did. I bought in when this was it said 40 TRX per banker when I bought in, right? 40 TRX, right? You buying right now, you could double, you know what I'm saying, your token value, because it's about to go back up. It's going back up. It's going back up every second that you wait. So now it's at 16. I gotta refresh this page. Price is 15 TRX per banker, so 46 cents. That's a good buy-in price. I'm about to put in another 500. Just putting in 500 right now is like putting in 1,000 when it was just up where it was at, where people was promoting it like crazy. It was like 42 TRX. We put in 1,000 right now and be up when it get back up there. So yeah, I'm about to just continue to use logic. Try not to be emotional when it comes to investing. If you like an over emotional person, I wouldn't even recommend investing. But just try to like keep a level head. Because when it comes to numbers and all this shit, data, internet, code, you gotta keep a level head. You gotta have logic and understanding and just be like, all right, it's an investment. You know what I'm saying? And you gotta understand like it takes time and the ebb and flow of fucking crypto. It go up and down. Like shit can go drop 20%, 50%, but then it could do 80% the next day. Like it's just fucking wild. So you just gotta understand that and have a balanced mind, you know, and stay relaxed and increase your risk tolerance levels, and you'll be good out here. You'll be good out here on the wild, wild web. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment, man. We in Bankroll Flow. We flowing to this motherfucker end. That's all hey, this what we in, man. Hey, so I done already put 3 bands in here. Can't take it out. So nigga, we gonna ride it out, motherfucker. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.